Hi, this is Jen Kippy, and this is my reflection for Module 15. I did set up a Prodigy game. It would be for fourth graders with the standards for them. I did go ahead and set up um, my kiddo so that I could test this out. So when you get in there, your child just chooses a random name. So if you didn't choose Prodigy, I just thought it would be neat to just kind of go through real quick and show you guys how it works. This is something that I hear kiddos that I work with at school talk about, but I have never used it for anything. So again, it's kind of helping you, showing you what to do, and then it brings you to a math problem. And so when you start out the Prodigy account as a teacher or parent, you can choose which grade, which also brings up all the standards. So then you can choose, like for this game specifically, what you want the questions, what you want the standards to be. So I think I clicked on maybe like 6 and there was going to be 33 questions total. So again, what's the perimeter? So when you do this incorrectly, you'll see what it happens. It comes up, gives you that it was wrong. You can also, I know for some students that we have, it will read aloud to you. Um, so if they get it wrong, then they can see the correct answer. Okay. Then after that, you go back to the battle. You're battling between the two. And then after a little bit here, it's going to take you back to another problem. So what time does the clock show? So 5:35. Click on the Get Magic, and I got that one correct. And again, I think it just takes you back and forth. So I haven't played completely through this game. I just thought it would be nice if this wasn't what you chose to do your project on, that you would be able to see what Prodigy actually looks like. Um, so I think I'll definitely use this actually for my kiddo who's a second grader. Something fun that he could be doing through the summertime just to kind of keep up his math and ELA skills for the next year, and then maybe also be able to advance him in some of those skills. So this was part of my reflection for um, Module 14, and I will pause this and do the rest of my recording. So for the rest of my reflection, my thoughts on gamification of education, I think it's a great idea. I do think probably some of our kids are on gaming sites too much, but I've also noticed how much that can grab the attention of some of our students. So I do think that's a good idea. Ways I can use it in my classroom, I would definitely use it for this. I saw some of our teachers use it as review for state assessments and for FastBridge. Um, so I did the Prodigy. I thought it was user friendly. I didn't experience any problems. Um, PowerPoint or Google Slides, I did at some point want to create a Jeopardy or a bingo for kiddos, so that's probably something I would use. I know in our reading that Kahoot and Blooket were mentioned, although they weren't on that actual list. I have used both of those. Um, in the classroom in our community groups, and our kids just love that. We usually kind of have them split into groups and work together on some of those problems. And it's been very beneficial and educational for our kiddos. So that concludes my Module 15 reflection.